Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Badai Pejak Ketenat Boarding ke Sokar Jela James K. Sangma next ngi habai keren berkilat patai kubor hadin balakut kajingi keduk jongki kenhun menteri lani ke kabinet kilashim ya kerai bandondo tang kawai ka anj na ying habaro kawai ke Jela ke Sorkar kelawan ra ya ka anjrau hapok yang dorbar ka Meghalaya Building Bylaws Hajar Arpway Bills. Shushu nakaliang jong ni menteri ulai thu ba kani ka bill bakin wanra kalong ban wanra ya kejingpen kala ha ka anj na ying ka balawanra dak Sorkar House nem Hajar Khadway katkum kani ka bill ka bamanta kan don tang ka wei ka anj na ying ha ka Jela baro ka wei u James Sangma wala penchai shushu ba kitu ki jaka ki bahap apo jong ka municipal board ya kejingbit ban na ying kin ha ban shim na ka muda but ya kitu ki jaka ki bahap ha ka district council ki haban pan jingbet na ka district council hanrei ka anj na ying kandei jong ka Sorkar
was discussed was regarding the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021. I'll just run through the brief on this, and if there are any questions, Honorable Minister is there to take it once I finish my briefing. So the fourth agenda which was taken up was regarding the fifth agenda which was taken up was regarding the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021. As you all know, the bylaws were amended during 2011, bringing in a techno-legal regime and earthquake-resistant features complying with the codal provisions on structural design of buildings. The Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2011 was further amended in 2015 to clearly define the basement floor, allowing parking spaces at any floor with a maximum of 4 floors, that is 14 meters, and 5 floors, that is 17 meters, with basement for service and parking. In 2016, the Government of India had notified the Model Building Bylaws 2016, and the states were instructed to amend their respective building bylaws in line with the Model Bylaws. So we filed, the Government of Meghalaya filed an affidavit in the Honorable Supreme Court of India in writ petition that relevant provisions of Part 4, that is Fire and Life Safety of the National Building Code 2016, be incorporated in the Meghalaya Building Bylaws amendments. So the introduction of the Meghalaya Building Bylaw 2021 was also one of the requirements to be carried out as part of the Amrut program. And in view of the above mentioned, whatever I've mentioned just now, suggested provisions have been examined in the context of their relevance and applicability to the state, and accordingly the relevant provisions required for the state have been incorporated in the new Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021. The bylaws proposers, if you have any questions you can ask Honorable Minister, but I'll just quickly briefly go through it. Coverage, applicability of extent, authorities, the total number of stories permissible, the case of special projects where plot areas above 50,000 square feet or up to 7 stories, buildings within city center zones can be permitted up to 7 floors with 27 meters high. On matters relating to car parking provisions, cities and towns are facing a strain. Therefore, the new bylaws has proposed that an affidavit needs to be submitted by the building owner to the effect that he or she will not change or convert the use of parking spaces in the building or plot, so on and so forth. The Building Bylaws 2021 seeks to bring into correct perspective the anomalies of the previous bylaws in order to render easier interpretation of the bylaws, taking into account the nature of our local topography, infrastructural, social, economic requirements, etc., and more importantly the implementation of the bylaws by the autonomous district councils and their agencies. So all these were discussed at length, and after the deliberations the cabinet has passed the agenda for this, and the Building Bylaws 2021 is passed by the cabinet. And lastly,
the Building Bylaws it was a uniform laws for the whole state, and in consideration with the, we had twice with the district council and the MUDA, and we have come to understandings, and will be as good within the municipal area, and outside the municipal, district council will implement it.
So according to this new bylaws, will be it's clear that within municipal area they have to take from Muda,
Yeah.
and outside municipal area
District council.
taken from the district.
Two authorities.
honorable
We cannot
minister
have 2-3 bylaws in the same state. No?
Yeah.
According to this new building bylaws, how many
G+5. G+5 normally,
G+5?
and for the commercial, for the special, it was 6-7. Everything will be available
Commercial
in the
will
bylaws.
be G+7.
It based on the area, because of 50,000 square feet and above, there is a provision in the laws. You'll get detail from the laws itself.
So the G+4 is now sort of.
It's continue only. No issue. G+4 is already there. Not available. Yeah, obviously. When the new law comes out, it's proceed everything.
G+5 for normal.
Yeah. Especially for the Kacha houses, no permission is required.